Hey Derek, see if you can crash on the way down.
This is the one we're going down. All the way down there. There goes Kevin and Greg. Here I go.
Crash on the way down, Derek. Let's get an action picture.
Crash? Alright, I'll see what I can do.
Do it.
Thanks for the jinx. Thanks for the jinx.
Knock him over.